DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua has dismissed reports of defections from the opposition to the government side. Speaking on Wednesday, Gachagua maintained that the opposition remains intact, arguing that those who crossed over had never been committed to the coalition's agenda. There was a narrative at the beginning of the year that people are defecting from the united opposition at DCP to the government. There is nothing like that. They have gone to where they were from. Gachagua linked the current political movement to a transfer windows, saying internal fighting within the opposition would continue. This is the transfer window. In the next 2 months, all of the spies will be removed to where they come from. Some are moving from DCP straight to the United Democratic Alliance. We shall share intelligence amongst ourselves. Meanwhile, leaders allied to the united opposition said they would remain united and rally behind whoever is elected to challenge President William Ruto in the next presidential contest. Speaking during the Democratic Party National Delegates Congress (NDC) held at Ufungamano House in Nairobi, the leaders said they would prioritize national interest over individual ambitions. During the meeting, former National Assembly Speaker Justin Muturi was confirmed as the Democratic Party leader as presidential candidate. Other leaders present included former Deputy President and DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua, former Idaria Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i, PLP leader Martha Karua, DAP-K leader Eugene Wamalwa, and Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka. Muturi claimed there were efforts to weaken the unity of the united opposition. They were even looking for a person to compete with me in DP at the NDC so that I do not become the flag bearer, Muturi said. He added that there was a still hope of steering the country in the right direction, saying Kenya was not beyond repair. The united opposition stands firm, Muturi said. Karua echoed the message of unity, saying opposition leaders were brought together by shared resolve to challenge the Kenya Kwanza. Please subscribe, share the media.